Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Stripe account. So first step you need to do is to search for the Stripe and you need to click on that. So once this website is open, you simply need to click on sign in because we are going to create a new account. Wait for a few seconds here. Here you can see that. So here you can see the option of stay sign in. So we do not have an account. We need to click on sign up here. So once it is done, and here you can see that create your Stripe account. Here you need to add your email address, your full name, your country. So I'm going to select my country. Then you need to enter your password, click on get Gmail from Stripe about the products, and then you need to click on create account. So once you click on that, your account will be created on Stripe, and then on the next page you need to fill out the necessary details. So I do not want to create with my personal email address, so I skip this. And this is the process how you can create a Stripe account. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.